In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a video editor portfolio on Wix. First, let's navigate to wix.com and get started by logging in. Once you've entered your credentials, you'll want to click Create New Site. Now, here's where the fun begins. Choose the Portfolio and CV category and look for the Video Editor Filmmaker Portfolio option. You'll find an array of video portfolio templates such as Cinematic Reel, Visual Creator, and Studio Portfolio. Take your time to browse through and select a template that resonates with your style. For an enhanced visual impact, consider opting for a dark or minimalist design. When you've found the one, click on Edit Template. Next, let's shift our focus to customizing your home page. This is your virtual front door, so it should immediately convey your unique style. Start with a hero video or showreel as your background. You want it to autoplay in a loop, muted for best engagement. To do this, click on Change Background and then select Video to upload your reel or choose one from Wix Media. Now add your name and title. A simple introduction like, "Hi, I'm Alex, a video editor and storyteller" works well. Don't forget a call to action button such as View My Work or Watch Reel. Remember, the aim is to maintain a clean and cinematic aesthetic, allowing your work to shine. Moving on to adding a projects page, this is central to your portfolio. Navigate to Menus and Pages and add a new page named Projects. Here, use a repeater or gallery grid, found under Add in the Layouts section, to showcase your work. For each piece, include a thumbnail image and project title, along with a short description. Link these to your full videos on platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or Wix Video for smoother playback and analytics. Incidentally, using the Wix Video app can offer significant advantages. Now let's consider a showreel section. Your showreel is your highlight reel. It's meant to captivate potential clients. You can create this on your homepage or as a separate page. Add a video player where you can upload or embed content. A succinct description like a 90-second reel showcasing my editing, color grading, and motion graphics adds context. Optionally, provide download CV or hire me buttons for engagement. Remember, the About page is pivotal. Clients are curious about the person behind the edits. Share a brief introduction of your experience and niche. Let them in on your software skills, and don't forget to add a professional photo. Subtle animations or scroll effects can infuse a modern touch. A services page transforms your portfolio into a client magnet. Detail what you offer using columns or cards. Highlight services like video editing, color grading, and motion graphics. Add starting prices or packages if applicable, and include a book a call or get a quote button. Your contact page plays a crucial role in accessibility. Ensure it has a contact form, an email link, and social handles. Consider including a Let's Collaborate call to action on every page. Finally, it's time for design and branding. Head over to Site Design to tailor font pairings, color palettes, and button styles. Motion effects like fade-ins enhance the cinematic feel. Switch to Mobile View to optimize for smaller screens, ensuring readability and proper spacing, then publish your site. Congratulations, your video editor portfolio is now live.